So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to look at the cloud scheduler under Google Arcade Facilitator. So before that, sign in according to your accounts given. Make sure that you are in an incognito mode. So basically, this cloud scheduler means that you can schedule some jobs like frequently occurring jobs under a scheduled manner, like you can automate them. For example, if you want to send some emails or regarding the reports, okay, or you can see the API responses, how the traffic is being there, so you can send it out. So before that, we need to know about the pub/sub topic. So what is this? It's basically a named resource that acts as a feed or a messages. So basically, publishers send messages to a specific topic, and subscribers register to their interest in the topic to receive the messages sent to it. Now it allows a loosely coupled system where message and producer do not are directly combined. So now, okay, let's click on the terms and services and click on agree and continue. So our main task is to like create a cloud scheduler job, receiving scheduler job, specify cloud sub topic, and so on. Okay, now let's see. So before that, click on the cloud shell. So click on the continue and click on authorize. Now before heading to the our first task, there is one thing that we need to make sure, that is configuring our region. So copy paste this code, that because according to this only there is a future uh, typo that you need to adjust according to this region. So once this is been configured, so let us move on to the enabling cloud scheduler API. So go to API and services, click on library. Now try to minimize this. I'm facing some issue here, so I have exited the cloud shell for now. You don't need to do that, you can minimize the thing. Now copy paste this scheduler there, or you can manually type it there. Okay, now we have a cloud scheduler API. So now we need to enable it. So click on enable. So once this is done, set up the cloud pub/sub. So basically creating a pub/sub topic means for our cron job. Cron job is basically the frequently occurring job that we want to automate. So for that we need to create a pub/sub topic. So copy paste the code over here and yeah, copy paste it. So first of all, let me open the cloud shell. So I need to do it again, but you have, I think you yeah, once you have opened it, just copy paste the code, let it give some time. So once it is created, so make a note of the name, you will use it later. Okay, so then create a cloud pub/sub subscription. So basically subscription means like we are now initializing it, like before we have created the thing, now we want to start the process. Like for example, we can't manually send the thing like emails or so on, so we can automate the things now. So copy paste the code given for us. So I think yeah, that's all for this task. Now you can, yeah, that process has been completed. So now, so once it is completed, click on check my progress. So yeah, that's completed. Now heading to the task 3, it says the create a job. So under navigation, search for the cloud scheduler. So there is a catch over here, that if you are unable to find it anywhere, just type cloud scheduler in the search bar, as I couldn't. So directly type cloud scheduler, you can see it. So click on it. Our next job is to create a job. Okay, so click on create job. So basically we have, as we have initialized it before, we are now giving it a name and what it should do. Okay, over here we can configure it over here. So now here we can give a job name and optionally add a description. So I couldn't see any specific name over here, like a default or forced name that we need to give. So it's up to you. You can give anything, or you can do any you can give anything. So there is no need of uh, there is no restriction for that. So I'm checking over here if there is anything like that. So we couldn't face any errors further. So yeah, I've seen there is nothing, so you can directly give a name. But one thing I have noticed is that the region has been incorrectly given me, like it is given for as a US central one. So please check your current regions and configure it. I have changed it to US East one, and yeah, also given a name as neural node or channel name, and write a small description over there. It's as you wish. Now we need to uh, specify the frequency of a job using the Unix cron format for every minute. So basically, uh, now we need to say how frequently we want our task to repeat the thing. Okay, so like every 5 minutes or so on, which is in as encoded format like a stars. So just copy paste that thing and head out to the next. Okay, now once it is done, select your time zones according where you live. As I am from India, so I am selecting India as my time zone. So once it is over, click on continue. Now configure the execution. So select a cloud pops up topic drop down and create the topic that we have earlier did. So we selected the pops up topic, and then under the cloud pops up topic we need to select the topic that we have created just before under the project ID. So once it is over, we can add the body message for it, which will be used for further verification for us. So for this also I couldn't see any default message that is given over here. So you can add any message you will later on see during the verification. So here I'm adding hello cron, this is neural node. So yeah, once it is over, now our next task is like just click on create. So go for it, click on create button, and once it is done, uh, yeah, now it has been set, and wait for a minute or two for the job to be completed. So as we can here see, the job has not yet completed, so it's taking some time, so wait for it. Until then, let's see the fourth one. So it says that verify the results of the cloud pops up. Basically now we are like debugging whether it is working or not. So basically all the things have been settled. Now we need to verify the thing using the command given below, using the uh, pops up subscription. Basically it fetches the messages, like all the messages that were called upon here. So just copy paste the code here and paste it in the command line once it is successful. So after it's over, here we can see the message that we are written in the description, like in the message box. It is printed twice. So the present task uh, has been completed frequently for 2 times. Yeah, you can receive more responses. You just need to wait for some while. So for your sake, I am running it the command again. So let's run it the command, and now let's see as how many tasks it will take. So basically it takes 3 more tasks like that. Okay, now test our knowledge. So you can trigger an app engine app, send messages via cloud pops up, or hit arbitrary HTTP endpoint running the compute engine. Yes, so basically this is our own task. So that's all for now. I think you hope you have enjoyed this video, and make a like and subscribe. That's all for now. Keep learning.